So, you don't know how to clean the audio for your project. Not a problem. Most of the time here we talk about 3D development related things, but today I wanted to teach you a less popular skill that really every game developer should know anyway. Audio is one of those things that most devs either overlook or don't care about, but you really should because audio guys in real life are really expensive, and if you're poor like me, then you really can't afford to hire anyone to do all the grunt tasks, so you gotta learn how to do them yourself. Let's say you have audio like this where you can hear the sounds of nature outside. Or you have audio like this where you can hear the constant hum of an air conditioner. Here's how you clean it up. Download Audacity, it's a free audio editing software. Drag in your audio file, select the empty noise that you want to get rid of, then go up to Effect, Noise Reduction, Get Noise Profile, and then Control-A to select the entire timeline, then go back to the Effects, Noise Reduction, and Remove. You're done. Or you have audio like this, where you can hear the constant hum of an air conditioner. Here's how you clean it up. And now we have clean audio without the background noise. This is actually the exact method that I use to make the audio for all of my YouTube tutorials with my dying phone mic. It's a simple trick, but it really goes a long way, so I hope that helps. And as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.